In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Incognito mode in Google Chrome. Incognito mode is Chrome's built-in way to browse without saving your local history, cookies, or form entries on your device. It's great when you're using a shared computer, or you simply want a fresh session that won't remember sign-ins after you close it. Keep in mind, though, it doesn't make you invisible online. Websites you visit, your school or workplace, and your internet provider may still be able to see traffic. Downloads and bookmarks you create will also stay on your device. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're in Chrome, not another browser. You'll recognize it by the circular red, yellow, green, and blue icon, and by the interface once it opens. With Chrome open, look to the very top right corner of the window. You'll see a button with 3 vertical dots. That's the Chrome menu. Click it to open a drop-down list of options. From that menu, choose New Incognito window. The moment you click it, a separate window opens just for incognito browsing. You'll know you're in the right place because the background is darker, and you'll see a message explaining what Chrome does and doesn't save in this mode, often next to a little hat and glasses icon. Anything you do in this window stays in this temporary session. When you close every incognito window, Chrome clears the browsing data from that session automatically. Here are a few quick tips to make the most of it. If you like keyboard shortcuts, you can open an incognito window with Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Linux, or Command+Shift+N on a Mac. If you don't see the new incognito window option, your browser might be managed by an administrator who has turned it off, which is common on work or school devices. And if a site still seems signed in, that's usually because you're already logged in within that incognito session, or because the site recognizes you by account, not by local cookies. When you're done, just close the incognito window like any other. Click the X on Windows or the red close button on a Mac. Be sure to close every incognito window and tab. If even one remains open, the session is still active. The next time you need a quick, private session that won't save local history, repeat these simple steps and you'll be ready in seconds.